brilliant match, very competitive match. It played so well, and it could have gone either way. But I'm happy I came out on top.
And what do you think you did exceptionally well today?
Served well, and I came to the net and I finished the point when it mattered the most, and the critical points.
I love playing DP, you know. I look forward to playing DP in the finals. Started out well. I didn't get to, really and truly, I didn't get to hit my backhand as often. You know, I was more slicing and just kept pushing, putting me under pressure that way.